Dried or cracked tail lamp lenses can have a negative effect on the looks of your Pontiac. This can also be a problem with maintaining safety and being DOT compliant on the road. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 GTO Tempest and LeMans Taillight lenses. Sold as a pair, these lenses are manufactured in top quality ABS plastic using a superior injection molding process. We use case-hardened steel tooling to ensure the accuracy of each part every time. Our lenses feature the correct mounting points as well as the integrated backup lens for authenticity. In addition, the stainless steel trim is included on the late 71 through 72 LeMans Sport and luxury models, while all others are painted in factory correct silver enamel. These are easy to install and feature the correct guide markings for authenticity. You'll be happy you chose OPGI for your lenses. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.